In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create Facebook event. Go to your Facebook, and if you want to create an event for your Facebook profile, then from your profile, tap on this menu, and here, tap on See More. Scroll down and find out events, tap on that. Now to create a new event, tap this plus icon at the top right. And now write here your event name. Select here your event start and starting date and starting time. And if you want to add a event end date and time, you can just do it from here. Now, is it in person or virtual event? You can select in person or virtual. So in my case, I'm selecting in person. And who can see it? You can change your event privacy. And you can write here your event description as well. And now just tap on create event. And that's it. Here we can see the event successfully created. Now if you want, you can share your event from here. And this is the event final preview. And you can just tap here to copy the event link, or you can tap on invite, and you can select your Facebook friends to invite just like this. Thanks for watching.